AI photo restoration. So what is it? So basically AI can be used to repair, enhance, and brighten the damaged photos. And so it can automatically remove scratches or discoloration and cracks, as well as like restore missing details or background parts. And it makes photo restoration a lot easier and like faster than like manually going through it. Why restore old photos? They can help preserve family memories and cultural history for future generations. And also, like maybe if you have a bad photo, you can fix it and make it less blurry or faded or even damaged. Um, and then you can share these photos a lot more easily with loved ones, and it really bridges the past and present together. How AI improves restoration. AI carefully analyzes photos pixel by pixel to find hidden signs of damage, and it automatically fills the missing details using advanced machine learning predictions. And so it can restore color like very accurately and naturally than some like more traditional filters that like people use. And it also saves lots of time as well. Here are some popular AI photo restoration apps. So there's online apps like Remini, MyHeritage, and Photo, and they're really quick and like simple to use. They're good for quick and simple fixes too. And there's desktop programs like Photoshop, which also include AI-based filters. And there's specialized apps that can help focus on facial repairing and like detail enhancement or colorization. And a lot of these are free or low cost, so they're very accessible to everyone. Um, okay, so fixing blurry images. So AI sharpening tools bring clarity to faded or fuzzy old photographs, and they can even recover little subtle details in like portraits, landscapes, or family group shots. And it reduces digital noise without making like a plastic or fake looking effect. And it's really good for making older snapshots look more crisp and brand new. Enhancing faces. So tools rebuild subtle facial features lost due to like fading or heavy damage. So if you take a photo, like, or you have an old photo that you want to look redder, you want your eyes to look sharper or your smiles brighter, then you can use these tools to enhance that without looking too unrealistic or cartoonish. And it can really help make family portraits or like group photos look a lot more vivid and for everyone to look good. Background repair or enhancement. Um, AI can fill in missing background details lost to like rips or severe fading. And it also enhances natural stuff like trees and skies and flowers and also furniture or buildings. And it just recreates the environment to look realistic while still focusing on the main subjects. So like the people or pets won't be lost in the background. And it makes the photo feel really immersive and polished and complete. Um, tips tips for scanning old photos. Um, so you should use a high quality scanner for the clearest and sharpest digital copies. Um, you should try to clean the original photos gently before scanning to avoid dust or smudges. Try to scan at higher resolutions to capture the most amount of detail you can, and save files in universal formats like JPEG or PNG for easy editing later. Benefits of AI over manual editing. Um, yeah, it's much faster and easier than old-fashioned Photoshop only restoration work. and it's very accessible to beginners who have little or no editing experience. It produces like near professional results within just a few minutes with very minimal effort. And it's a lot more affordable compared to hiring an expensive like restoration specialist to edit your photos. But there are limits to AI tools. For like one, they're not always perfect at guessing missing details or exact colors. And sometimes they can look a bit unrealistic in like texture or like have an odd effect if used too much. And if the original photo is extremely damaged or very low resolution, they can struggle with that. And it may still require some manual touch-ups for the most professional finish. Future of AI photo restoration. So AI will continue to advance towards even more precise and lifelike edits. New tools may also handle old videos alongside photographs. And you should expect cloud-based real-time services for faster global access. And they might eventually merge with AR or VR for more immersive memory experiences.